Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable defense auto switch on NBA Live game. So let's get started. First, open the NBA Live game on your device. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, look for the preferences option. It should be listed at the very top of the menu. Tap on the edit button right beside it. Here you can see the defense auto switch option. Finally, tap on the toggle switch next to the defense auto switch option to turn it off. The switch should move to the off position, indicating that defense auto switch is now disabled. And this is how you can disable defense auto switch on NBA Live game. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.